Okay, boys and girls, do your research before you buy. I bought this off Amazon and there was no reviews on it because it was a new deal, and I thought, well, OTC's a good brand, I'll be okay. And I ordered it. It was really expensive for a tester gauge or a compression tester, and I get it and I don't use it till it's well out of warranty, and first time out I use it and I'm checking the compression on my old worn out pickup and it reads 180 pounds right down the line, and I knew that was high, and I got another tester and sure enough it was 150, which is good, but this thing reads 30 pounds high. So I thought, well, they're a reputable company, I'll contact them and see what they say, and they basically just laughed at me. And you can see obviously that it's, you know, basically new, and like I said, it was 3 times what a normal one cost. So I went back and looked at the reviews now, and they're absolutely terrible. People having all kinds of issues with them, and I don't know, they're owned by Bosch. You would think Bosch would stand behind it, but looks like I'm stuck with a $100 paperweight. I'll probably just toss it in the trash.